many branches are just touching the roof alone. Farther, you can see all the carpet moss growth that has started to grow because of that. That type of moss is very aggressive. It grows in the granules of the shingle itself rather than on the lips. If it's growing on the lips or in the keyways, that's as easy. That's where you would want your moss to be growing, if at all. But if you had to choose where the moss grew, you wouldn't want it to be like that. We're not going to ever be using a regular size chainsaw that you would see a typical tree cutter using, because we're only allowed to cut up to 8-inch diameter branches. You wouldn't be able to do something like this. This would be way too big around, and at that point you'd be risking this falling down a power line, and it's beyond our skill set. Our skill set basically is get it off the roof. The fewer branches I can cut, the better, because it's going to mean a lot less branches and sticks and stuff to pile on the side of the house. To dispose of the tree branches once they're cut and piled up on the ground, there's two ways we can go about it. One, we can leave them for the client if you guys have something you're going to do with them. The second thing is we can haul them off, but we have to charge a fee for taking it to the dump, and the fee is determined on the weight and then the time it took to actually take it to the dump.